Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. What we'll be doing, guys, today will relate to any Dodge vehicle, guys. We'll show you if you guys have on the dash that says negative 40 degrees, how to fix that, what is causing that and how to fix it. Now, we'll be explaining on this Dodge journey, guys, here, but it will be the same for many Dodges. Like, okay, we have another Dodge right here, let me show you quick. It's a Dodge Dart. Pretty much the same procedure, guys, as well. So every vehicle that we get at the shop, every Dodge, guys, okay, we'll be making at least 200 videos. So please subscribe, we'll have replacing engines and all that stuff, guys. So what is happening today, guys? Okay, when I start the car, even without starting it, okay, right here it says negative 40. Okay, let me adjust the light. Okay, perfect. That negative 40, guys, okay, what is causing that? In some cases it will show negative 40 and you're going to have, okay, engine light on as well. Okay, engine light on. You can see negative 40 and engine light on. So how you guys fix that? Now I'm going to turn it off, turn the ignition on, okay, where the lights are illuminating. We're going to get that scanner now here, guys. This is a really good scanner. We'll click read codes. Check this thing out, guys. It will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. It says code ambient air temperature P0073. Okay, let's see if we have anything else. That's it, P0073. Now, if guys that temperature sensor doesn't work, okay, and you get negative 40 there, why you're getting that? Okay, you're getting negative 40 and engine light on due to the fact, okay, that the engine needs to know what temperature is outside to adjust the fuel and the air and all that stuff. And variable timing as well, so as a result, guys, the car will not perform right. Now, in most cases, guys, on every Dodge, okay, that sensor will be located behind the front bumper cover somewhere. Like ours is located right there. So we'll pull it out, pull up. Now we need to disconnect it by pushing that thing backwards, push here, disconnect, like this one. And this is, guys, the old air ambient temperature. So we'll get a new one now, replace it quick and see if that is going to take care of the problem now. So usually you can see they're somewhere behind the front bumper. Okay, this is the new one. We'll pull it out. Okay, so we're going to connect it now quick. Okay, and once it's connected, okay, we're going to go inside. What I'll do now, okay, I'll start the car. Check it out now. Okay, engine light is still on, but we're showing, okay, 54 degrees there, 54. Okay, perfect. So what we need to do, turn the ignition on, okay, like that, get the scanner, click go back, erase codes, okay, the light will start blinking. After that, we can turn it off and we can start the car. And right here, guys, okay, no engine light. So definitely, guys, that fixes the problem. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.